What's up, everyone? It's me, Connor's Car Review Productions 2024. Today, I just received a package from Totally Thomastown. We're going to take our chance and open it up while we can, and we'll see what we got in here. Alright. Alright, here we go. Alright. There's something in here. I don't know what the heck could be in here. Oh. Batteries. Huh. Nice of them to send me some batteries for these guys. Alright, let's get them out. What do we have in this one? Oh yeah, here we go. So here's the first one. We got Trackmaster Talking Henry. Don't know if you can see him that well. Alright.
What else did you order?
I'm about to see what the second one is. Let me see. Let's see who the third one is. Ooh, Talking Percy. I didn't even realize I ordered him. Crud. That's something you don't see every day. He's next to Henry. And this last one's got to be Gordon. Let's see. Put that box right there. Ooh. Didn't see that coming. There we go. This last one, if I'm correct, has got to be Gordon. Let's see. And I'm right. It is Gordon. Yeah, there's Gordon. There's Henry. And here is Percy. Yeah. Alright. I'm gonna go get my screwdriver and I'm gonna go pop some batteries in these and I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. So we'll start with Percy. Get his batteries thrown in. Can the TV get muted? Thank you. It's my camera will pick up the noise of it and YouTube will have a fit about it. So I don't need to get caught by them. Okay, so let's now throw Percy's batteries in. And here we go. There we go. Now let's pop his thing back in. That in the box. Next, we'll do Henry. Let's get his batteries thrown in. Now that he's done, move him out of the way. So now that I can do Gordon. Now, let's get his batteries thrown in. All right. All right. There we are. We're all set. All the batteries are thrown in. So I'll test them out later on at some point today, and we'll see how these guys do. Two main people I'd like to have see this video are Trackmaniamatt Productions and Adam Morales Productions. Make sure you two see this video. These three are awesome. To be fairly honest, I didn't realize I ordered Percy. I thought I just ordered Gordon and Henry, but nope. I somehow was able to get a hold of Percy. But yep. I appreciate you guys watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and you'll see these three right here in future videos. Thanks for watching, guys.